Hello everybody, Asang Filipinas. So since you love my feet, I'm gonna do like this. And today I'm going to unbox. This is my nail colors. By the way, I changed it last night. So again, it's black. And today I'm gonna unbox this shopping from Shein. So unbox with me. So I have this dress. It's quite dark. Wait, I on the light. So, okay, and today I have this dress. It's very soft, and then I'm gonna try this on later. So next is I have this hand gloves. So I'm just trying to explore my outfit. So I'm gonna wear this one. So my doggy is barking. So this is my hand gloves. So because I have an outfit, so I'm gonna just try on first. Nabiyaga, good na. Saba ka na. Shh. So this is how it looks like. So okay, I have this one and another. This is lingerie, so we're gonna try this on. So this is lingerie, and it looks shiny in the picture, but oh, it's just cotton. I like this one because it's soft. Especially in the Philippines, it's very hot, so you really need, not really so hot, but for this time, it's very hot, summertime. So you don't need thick clothes here. So this is my outfit. This is skirt. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wear this outfit for my Patreon. So this outfit, and then I opened this one because I need jacket outside. I know it's very hot, but just to protect your skin, you need really cover. You need a cover aside from a sunblock. So this one is matching my outfit because I'm wearing this one, and this is my outfit today. So for the sun, I need some kind of protection. So yes, and then we still have more. So another outfit I'm gonna wear for my Patreon. It's a sexy outfit. This is skirt. And this one. So I'm not gonna show you. So this one, this is bra. Well, anyway, let's continue. And this one, this is the last one. Okay, last one is mini skirt. So I can try this on later. So that's all for now, and again, I hope you enjoy our shirt unboxing. And some of this one I'm gonna try on later, but for now, I see you next vlog. For now, I see you next vlog. Bye everyone, and see you next vlog. Before we end, you can join the membership level 3, and also to my Patreon account is also driving videos there, and see you there.